Everything is $1.
Everything, okay.
Me, I'm not for sale.
What did we find?
I found Fat Chef.
Is that like a toilet for Bob Bananas?
I found Fat Chef.
Oh.
It's only $1. I'm getting Fat Chef.
Well, let's see. Some audiobooks.
Huh?
Book.
Yeah.
Robert Ludlum. Is that an audiobook?
Granny.
Windy. Let's go fly a kite.
Up to the highest height. There's two together. But two times. I don't think so. Dad.
Yeah.
Favorite animal, 50 cents. Oh,
That's cool.
I
You see?
found a
It's a little tangled.
Oh, the little gingerbread baker.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Okay, you want to put it in bed?
Mm,
Sure.
a little tangled.
Goldfish.
There we go.
Banana. A banana for holding bananas.
Yeah, Bill can't hear me. Yeah.
There's nothing on the hanger. Look out.
That's just a bunch of boxes.
Yeah. A bag of boxes.
A bag of boxes.
You know anybody who needs a cat and
I don't.
Molly
No.
does.
The dog? No, I don't think the dog needs one.
But she's just a baby.
Yeah, I don't think.
Is that Molly?
Molly's the dog.
Oh, okay.
She's our puppy.
Oh, Molly needs a flag and play.
Yeah,
Oh,
but she's
okay.
7
I thought you were
months
talking
old.
about your sister.
Oh, wait, they're not selling
Happy
it.
monster.
What is this here? AM/FM radio with mirror. That's neat. Damaged. Callie's spending too much.
Cookie Monster.
I
Found Cookie Monster? Nice.
You go to Buc-ee's?
Yeah, I like Buc-ee's. Do you like?
Bucky
Well, it's
Beaver.
fun for them. So much to see.
We haven't even been there. What's
It's just like
really fun.
it's a gas station, but they have everything. So and it's all themed towards Bucky.
Bucky.
And they have, I like the big long counter of beef jerky, and you can get like all these like random beef
Did
jerkies.
you know that drinks are only 75 cents?
Yeah, they have big sodas for 75 cents, and like they make brisket there. I like the food. I go for the food.
I go
They
for
like
the-
Bucky the character. Food's good. Like they got brisket and pulled pork sandwiches, stuff like that. You can have lunch there.
So she's still
We call it Bucky.
we go by it all the time and we say, maybe we should stop.
You should stop when it's not crowded. Sometimes it's too crowded. It's not worth a big crowd. But if it's a slow day, you should go.
Is it open 24 hours?
Yeah, it's always open. So yeah, it's fun though. It's a fun experience.
all the clothes are down.
You gotta do it at least once.
Random stuff. Mesh gutter yard. That's neat. Kevin would like that. That's an old fire hydrant or fire,
It's the fire hydrant.
fire whatever. But it's like a bank. It's a piggy bank.
Yeah, that's an antique. It's brand.
Cool.
I think $20.
It's really not bad. $20, you say, huh?
Yeah.
You've tempted me.
You go online, I think they're online much more.
Yeah, it's just really neat.
But we made a bank out of it.
Yeah, that's cool. It's like a bank. I'll do it for 20 bucks. I like it.
It's heavy.
It is heavy, yeah. It's like, it's substantial. Here's 20.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's cool.
I think that my nephew is a fireman.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so that I think he's gonna covet from you.
Yeah, yeah. This is a cool big bowl too.
Go in the house. This way. This way. Thank you.
Garage sale. Welcome to the garage sale. Here's some toys. Got a little plushie for 3/4.
Yeah, 3/4.
Well, you can give them $1 and they give you change. Nice furniture. It's a good sale for the kids to come to.
25 cents.
That's cool. What is it?
It's been okay.
Story Theater,
25 cents.
2007. That's kind of neat.
I'm carrying more than I can carry.
What do we got in here?
All my bills are coming in.
Your bills?
Yeah, they keep sending me messages.
Gotta pay the bills. It's an ab lounge. That looks kind of fun.
That's a free box, help yourself.
This is?
That one and the clear plastic one.
Gotcha. Don't tell my littlest daughter. Uh-oh. We don't ever tell her about free bins because she takes the whole bin.
Yeah, we give you a bag and we just load it up. We just need the container.
Ice hockey table.
It's a very nice house.
There was a
Yeah.
lady yesterday that loaded up quite a few things. They
Yeah.
made some kind of little treasure boxes for homeless kids. Her church does it.
This is cool. Smurfs. No, that's Smurf sleeping bag. That's actually, I'm probably gonna buy that for $2. That's really cool.
Mom and sister.
They have 2 singles.
And they mostly put them on the wall.
Yes.
So all of their walls just have antique things, mostly tools and
Look at your Smurfs
like that.
Okay, thank you so much.
sleeping bag. Yeah, thank you.
Any kind of farm stuff.
That's nifty. Let's see. Originally,
Granny,
$7?
you pick that up.
it's alright.
There, Dad. I found a molly collar.
Cute.
25 cents I get it. It's always too much. Oh, that's wallpaper.
She's testing Anna. Doesn't realize Anna just woke up 2 minutes ago.
I got my SpongeBob thing that I wanted.
Morning.
How you doing?
Good.
Good to see you.
You too.
There's a walk-in booth for
Oh yeah.
Everything is $1.
everything. Okay.
Me, I'm not for sale.
Ah, that one's by you. Come over and do some work for them.
I can know it. I'm too old.
I don't think this would help her because it keeps the heel still. $1.
For everything.
Uh-huh.
Dad,
Yeah.
I don't know what Grandma's favorite animal is. I mean, Aunt Erin.
Oh, okay.
Give me.
Oh, a little sheep. That's cute.
I want it. Can I have it?
He-
Have that.
Yay.
Uh-oh. He got the wrong news report. No, you're a good girl.
Pretty good.
She's pretty good. Most of the time.
No, it's free.
Oh!
You say thank you, Callie.
Why?
Morning, how are you?
Can't get any better price than that.
What's,
You can have that if you want.
when's it from?
I don't know.
Usually the date's on the front.
Yeah.
I think it's too old.
Well, yeah, because it says 75th year of Pearl Harbor. And now it's going to test my history. When was Pearl Harbor? 42? 41?
We bought at the start of the war, so.
Yeah.
23 and 18 and 41, 42, yeah, probably 42.
Yeah. Very cute sheep. I love it.
The bags go. Wow.
Clay art.
Bags go. Wow.
That set of dishes is $2.
For the whole set? Mom, do you need dishes?
No.
This whole set down here, $2.
I have so many dishes.
He wants it gone.
I don't blame him.
$2 for that set, too.
$2 for this set?
Yes, sir.
Hey, it's my bag set. I have a stuffed animal. I have a stuffed
Can I have one of your dollars?
bears at my house.
I'll pay you back in the car. I've got more dollars.
So,
in.
honey.
Good. Good.
Actually, can I
I'm gonna
pay
take
for
the
50 cents?
the Mikasa dishes there.
Okay.
These ones here. Yeah. I'm gonna keep looking. Everything's for free. It's a cool candle. This candle would match your room for $1. Anna, this would be cool in your room for $1. It's got giraffes. It's a candle. Kind of neat. These grapes are cool.
I got my little berry can.
So much glass. What's that? That's neat. I just bought glass. Even though, what is this? Holiday retirement.
And I found a monkey seat.
Look over here.
I found a monkey.
IVAC. What is an IVAC professional?
What's an IVAC? What? What's an IVAC?
It's a glorified dustpan. You open it up and you dust your stuff into it and it sucks it in.
Cool.
We're almost done with that stuff.
The TV trays?
Yeah, you want a TV tray?
This wooden one, it's kind of cool.
Oh, you can't go wrong.
I mean, the price is right.
Come off it.
Yeah, that's kind of cool.
And it's open, it tilts.
It tilts, too.
I'll do that for $1. And this is $1 too?
Yeah.
All right, I'll do those two.
Okay.
And I already paid you for that.
Yep.
Let me see if there's anything else I want.
Sisters.
Best sisters. What?
This has a broken tail, so that's why it's for free.
Fine. Yeah.
That's why it's for free. But it does look cute. Oh no, I dropped my.
It's okay.
Buy some candy.
A little. Oh, she will.
Dad,
Oh.
I thought you were going to catch her in that.
Oh, yeah. No, hopefully not. Here's $2 for that. Yeah, thank you, man. So is that kind of boot for the foot? Is that for like heel injury?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can have that boot if you want.
No, my wife hurt the top of her foot, like, but I don't think that would work because I think it would move her feet in the wrong way.
Okay. If you kick in the butt and hurt her foot, huh?
Yeah, kicks me. You're good. All right, thank you guys. Hey guys, Dave the NC Picker here. Thank you so much for coming with me to those yard sales. Had some fun, brought my kids along, and we definitely had some awesome finds. That fire hydrant I got actually looks like it might sell from between $100 to $300. The only issue is they converted it to a piggy bank, which may or may not affect value. I don't actually know. Comment below and let me know. I still think I could get 100 worst case for it, but some of them are selling for quite a bit more. I didn't buy anything at the first sale, but we did have a fun conversation about Bucky, so I left it in for you. I did get that really cool Smurf sleeping bag, and that, I just liked it. I think it sells from $15 to $20. Just a fun find. But the last sale was crazy. I don't know if you guys heard, but he said when I walked up, hey, everything's $1. Every item's $1. So when it came to the dishes, I was like, well, is it $1 per dish or whatever? And he just answered without even me asking. He's like $2 for any set of dishes. You know, sets of dishes aren't really usually worth flipping, but that mustard yellow Mikasa set I just thought was a really cool, like, mid-century modern color. So for $2, I figured I'd take a shot on it. Worst case, I'll just keep it because I really like it. I got that IVAC thing, which is basically, like he said, a big dustpan, and that looks like it sells for around $100. And that was also $1. TV tray, a lot of old vintage TV trays can be worth a lot. I don't see that one anywhere. My guess is I could sell it for 15 to 20 bucks on Whatnot, but I'm not sure yet. So we'll see. So definitely had a good day. I mean, just the fire hydrant. Why do I keep calling it a fire hydrant? The fire extinguisher and the vacuum are going to be a couple $100 profit. So thank you for coming with me. Make sure you subscribe and tune in next time.